Hello, this is Ziyin Chen. I'm presenting the creative work of Lecture 2. Basically, I added two cloud functions from the admin side of view. One is to delete a certain thread, and the other is to show threads from a certain user. Let me show it one by one. So originally, if we sign in as a regular user, we can only view the threads and we cannot modify it. That's the original design. And I modified the design so that if I log in as an admin, then I have the possibility to delete the thread that I don't feel appropriate. You can see that all these threads have a delete button attached to it. And for the top thread, it has one thread and it has a reply message. And it is there in the Cloud Firestore as well. There's one message corresponding to the user2 second thread, and there's this thread that is a user's 2 second thread. Yes, here. And if I click on the delete button, then both the thread and the message will be deleted. So I need to confirm it. Yes, I want to delete it, and then that thread is removed from the screen, and also is removed from, see there for the message there is no new message anymore, and the thread, for the thread, that thread is gone. The second part is, as an admin, I have an option to look at the users, and for each user I can check their their activities. For example, for user 1, if I click on it, it shows the threads that user has posted, and on the URL it shows the activity followed by the UID. Then if I want to delete for this 4, it has been really inactive. It's not posting any thread, so I decided to delete it. Delete. Well, before that, let me double check. It was there. Number 4 is there in the cloud, and I want to delete it. I want to delete it. Yes, I want to delete it. And then it's deleted. When I look at the Firestore, update it, the 4th user is gone. That's all I have. Thank you.